Hi, welcome back to the second part of our paper towel drawing experiment. I hope you already tried this at home and know exactly what mine's going to look like once I complete the experiment. So in case you weren't with us yesterday, what I did was I took a piece of paper towel, folded it in half, and drew a design on the top half. See, it's kind of folded like a card. Okay, so I folded it in half and I drew a design. Mine's a rain cloud. And then I took my black permanent marker and went over the line that I originally drew, still on this side, with little dots. That way my design, if you can see the black dots, was transferred from this side to this side. Then I used washable markers, just typical markers, and colored in my design. Okay. After I have that ready, I pour water onto a plate, which I've already done. I pour water onto a plate, and then I'm going to take my folded paper towel with the black and white side on top, the colorful side on the inside, and I'm going to drop it onto my paper plate. Okay? Watch what happens. Can you see? My black and white color picture is now colorful. You see? Isn't that cool? I thought that this could make a wonderful idea for cards. You could write, maybe draw on the top part, maybe a heart. Don't color it in all the way because that's the key. You want to have some negative space. You want to have some open space for the color that's on the other side to absorb and show through. So I thought it'd be really cool if you did this for cards. So you would draw the complete experiment on a piece of paper, on the paper towel, and then mail this to a family member with instructions as to what to do. And I think that they would be super excited to watch the magic happen. So do you know what's happening? Well, the permanent marker is permanent because it doesn't wipe off with water. It's not soluble. It can't dissolve in water. So, but then when we used the washable markers on the other side, these markers, and I'm sure you know, wash off with water, maybe a little soap, but they wash off. They do dissolve in water. So when you color on the second piece of it and then put the paper towel into the water, the permanent marker won't go anywhere, but the paper towel absorbs the water, and then the washable markers, the ink kind of starts to run all over the place. It starts to dissolve into the water because that's what it would want to do so it could wash away. And that's how you see the beautiful colors come through. The paper towel absorbs the water, and then the washable markers, the color starts to spread out because it likes the water. It wants to go with the water. And that allows you to see the beautiful colors come through and change your black and white picture into a beautiful colored picture. So I hope you enjoyed that experiment. I'd love to see the variety of designs that you drew. One thing I forgot to mention in the last video is that make sure that when you're drawing, that your drawing has some empty spaces that can be filled in with that color from the bottom. Or if you just want to draw with the black marker on top and then color underneath in that second paper towel with colorful markers and just see a magical, beautiful scene appear, you could do that too. Anything, it's up to you. There's no rules with this. It's just fun and I think pretty amazing. So I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.